Hey guys, let's do a special shout out to Weird Beard. Hadn't been for his video, I would have never known to use a magic eraser to clean this interior. And Weird Beard, man, you did a good job on yours, and I appreciate you putting that video out, because I think I did a pretty good job on mine. Keep up the good work. You guys enjoyed the video. Well guys, me and Amos are going to work on the Toyota today. My 2011 Toyota. Been working on cleaning it out and trying to get it ready for summer. And when I vacuumed, I noticed that the seats were looking a little dingy. And you can see it's fairly well kept. It's a 2011, got about 108,000 miles on it, and you can see the seats, they're just dingy, and I'm gonna try something new I saw, and I'm gonna see if it does make a difference. And I'll get set up here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna start out by putting me a piece of tape down the center of my seat so I can have a before and after on it. And all I'm going to use is warm water and a magic eraser. Here's my warm water magic eraser. I'm gonna get me a towel. Hold on a minute. These towels I'm using, I got them from Harbor Freight, and I love these things. So, like I said, all we're gonna do is use this magic eraser and see how it does. And I didn't know, I don't want too wet in here, that magic erasers come in different size or different formulas, I guess you'd say. And the one I'm using on this one is what they call the kitchen formula, or the kitchen sponge. These leather seats are real, look at that, real hesitant about putting anything down on them because I don't want them drying and cracking. Man. Alright, you saw me do that part of it. I'm gonna put you on fast forward now and show what it looks like afterwards. Wow. I had no idea that those seats were that nasty. That is crazy. Oh man. Let me get finished with this and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm through. That's a whole lot of makeup and dirty fingers and all kinds of crap for 11 years, man. Well, no, it'd be 13 years. 2011 is when I got her. Well, summer of 2010. But she's a 2011 model. I can't believe how well this is working. I'm gonna get this other pad out. These things fall apart, and I didn't realize they fell apart like that. Takes a whole lot of rubbing here to get this leather wrap around this steering wheel clean. But man, I tell you what, who would have thought you got this kind of nastiness on your steering wheel? And I wash this car a lot. Never would have thought that. This Magic Eraser has took every bit of the makeup my wife has put on this steering wheel over the years and has took it off. I've never seen anything take it off before like this has. This steering wheel almost looks like brand new. This is crazy. Wished I'd learned about these things a long time ago, because this is something else. Man, couldn't get anything off of this. Not bad. That steering wheel though was something else. Man, I'm tickled with that. These buttons look brand new. Man, I'll tell you what. That is something else. Get you all up here in front so you can get a shot of that. Oops. Steering wheel. It's still drying, but guys, that looks like a brand new steering wheel. Real surprised. I just wouldn't think that this stuff is that dirty, but apparently it is. Why don't you look at that? It is something else. I'm not gonna bore you guys when we put it on fast. For some reason it didn't record fast forward. I got all that done. You can see down the side and see if I can get this clean. Usually just take these and put them in the dishwasher and wash them that way. You see how this eraser is just, it's like it's rubbing itself away, but man, I tell you what, I've never seen a sponge clean like that before. goop out of the center of it. Still got a little corrosion in here where I dropped some pennies. Man, that's clean. Nice. Look at that. This is build-up makeup from my wife's hand. Yeah. Let's see. Is that in the picture? Not quite. Okay. Now, let's see. Let me rinse out this. I'm going to show you all this water here in a second. And it was clear, clean, warm water when I started. It's just something we have our hands on every day. We don't think nothing about it, I guess. See how that, I just got through vacuuming this car too. Look at that. It's crazy. Using that word a lot. Need to find me another word. Awesome. That is awesome. Yeah. Like that's not being used a lot of time. Yeah, the only thing I can see wrong with these magic erasers is they flake off and leave us white residue. You gotta wipe up and re-vacuum again. But other than that, my goodness. That is something else. Don't need that down in there. Well, I guess I'll be getting the vacuum out again. All right, got this side done. I just need to get the other side done. I knew that my seats were in need of a cleaning, and all I used was warm water, 2 magic erasers, and 2 terry cloth towels. And I'm going to show you what this looks like, and I'm completely blown away with it. So hold on, why don't you look at this. Absolutely did not expect the seats to come that clean. And this is the water. And it just dawned on me why these are magic erasers. You know when you erase something with your pencil, all them little fibers that come off your eraser, that's what this does. So I'll have to try to vacuum out again. But guys, let me show you the other side. Let me put this down. Go to the other side. I just could not believe those seats were that nasty. Really did a good job. I'm impressed. You know, if a 68-year-old can get out here and do that kind of job on a vehicle. You young'uns ought to be able to take care of yours. I mean, my goodness, I thought this was a nice looking vehicle then, and now I don't know what to say. Hope you guys liked the video. If you ever need to clean your leather interior, I'll recommend those Magic Erasers. They did a hell of a job. Didn't have to use any chemicals. I don't know what's in the eraser, but I didn't have to use no chemicals. We'll see you guys.